Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about structure and function of Golgi apparatus, Golgi body and Golgi complex. Okay, so organization of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, also known as the Golgi complex or Golgi body. It is the cellular organelles found in most eukaryotic cells. So in most cells, the Golgi is composed of flattened membrane, enclosed sacs, or you can see the cisternae associated with the vesicles. So the cisternae diameter, okay, so typically it is the 0.5 to 1 micrometer, and typically Golgi stack contain the fewer than the 8 cisternae. Okay, that means you can say the 3, 1 to 3, they form the stacks like 3 to 8 of cisternae. And individual cells may contain from few to several thousand distinct stacks depend on the cell type. Now the dictosome. So dictosome, it is the single stack, or you can say the each stack, which is referred to as the dictosome. Now the Golgi compartments. Okay. So typically protein are transported from the ER to the Golgi by the vesicle. Okay. So the cis phase, okay, usually the protein enters into the Golgi. Its cis phase, you can see the entry phase, which is usually oriented towards the nucleus. Okay, this is the cis phase and this is oriented to the nucleus. Now the proteins from the ER in ER to the Golgi, transfer from the ER to the cis phase and transport within the Golgi, okay, throughout the Golgi, and the protein are then transferred through the Golgi and exit from its trans phases. Okay, so this is the trans phase, this is the exit. As they pass through the Golgi, proteins are modified and sorted for transfer to their eventual destination within the cells. Now the Golgi compartments, okay, so first there is a cis, medial, trans and trans Golgi network. So there is the multiple distinct compartments, okay, and different Golgi compartments occur various protein modification and sorting, and there is also this compartment contain the different enzyme for processing of protein modification. After progress to the medial and trans compartment, okay, medial to the trans compartment where further modification take place, they move to the trans Golgi network. Here is trans Golgi network, entire this is the trans Golgi network, which act as the sorting and distributing center, directing molecular traffic to endosomes. Okay, if the protein are going to the endosome, lysosome or plasma membrane, that is the directed the trafficking molecule. So the now next it is the transport vesicle. Okay, it is, you can see this is the transport vesicle. They carry the Golgi resident proteins. Okay, likewise ER also having the resident protein, which is a chaperone and disulfide isomerase. Okay, that is the resident protein which are important for the protein modification. They also transported, okay, retrieve pathway, you can also say the retrieve pathway, they back to the early compartment for reuse. Okay, so next is the function of Golgi apparatus. Okay, so Golgi apparatus, they serve several important functions in eukaryotic cells, contributing the protein processing, modification, sorting, and transportation of various cellular molecules. So, like protein modification and processing, first, second, lipid modification, third, sorting and packaging, vesicle formation of lysosome. So, it is the protein received from the ER. Okay, further processed and sorted for transfer to their eventual destination like lysosome, plasma membrane, endosome and cell exterior. So in here in Golgi body, most glycolipids and sphygmomyelin are synthesized within the Golgi. That is the second function. Third, it is the in plant cells, complex polysaccharides of the cell wall are synthesized. Okay, so sorting and packaging, okay, like they sort the protein and packaging and formation of lysosome. Also the Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosome, which are cellular organelles As you know, they contain the enzyme that break down waste material and cellular debris. They also form the vesicle formation. Okay, so Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of transport vesicles. So what is the vesicle? That is this vesicle bud from the Golgi cisternae and carry the modified and packaged molecules to the designated location. Okay, so this is all about today's videos. Check the description box for more details and or notes. If you are new here, please subscribing and hitting the bell icon for new updates. Share the video if you found it helpful, and thank you for watching.